this is a quick video help for today's maths. Okay, this is to do with this picture here. How many boxes can you see? I can see 4 boxes. How many eggs are in each box? Are they all the same? Yep, there are 6 eggs in each box. And then I want you to go over here. It says write the repeated addition calculation here. That means I've got 6 in the first box, added to 6 in the second box, added to 6 in the third box, added to 6 in the fourth box equal. And then it says here, write the multiplication calculation here. Well, the first box becomes the first part of our multiplication. Okay, so I've got 4 boxes, and then the second number becomes the second part of it. I've got 4 boxes of 6. Now, I know what 4 times 6 is. 4 times 6 is the chicken baka. 4 times 6 is 24. So I know I've got 24 there, and I've got 24 there. Did I need to use the grid method? Well, I think I could do that in my head because it's one of the things that we're learning. Okay, so fill in that one, then have a go at that one, the spider one. It's a bit itchy and scratchy. Then have a go at that one. Oh my goodness me. This one though, wow. This has got all sorts of things going on with it. Firstly, it says, how many rows are there? Right, let's count up. Row means going across. So how many rows? I can see 1 row, 2 rows, 3 rows, 4 rows, 5 rows, 6 rows, 7 rows, 8 rows. I can see 8 rows. And this time, how many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And I can see 18 columns. Here, is writing a repeated addition a good idea? Well, we'd have to go like this. We'd have to go 8, add another 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 8. It would be crazy. Why would it be crazy? It's because we've got too many things to add together. We would have 18 things to add together. So I'm not going to do repeated addition because it would be crazy. So let's write the multiplication calculation. Maybe that would be better. Remember that the first box becomes the first number in the multiplication calculation. Then you need your multiplication operation. And then the second box becomes the second number. Okay. Now, if it said to me 8 times 12, I'd be able to do that. I've got no idea what 8 times 18 is. And because I don't know it, I'm going to have to use the grid method. So here goes. I put my 18 there and I partition it into a 10 and an 8. Okay. And I draw my top grid. And I put another line down there and I'm timesing it by 8. So one step again, I've got my 18 and I've partitioned it into a 10 and an 8. And then I've put my operation there, what I have to do, and then this number goes there. Now I can do it. What's 8 times 8? Well done, it's 64. And then what's 8 times 10, or 10 times 8? Well done, it's 80. And all I need to do now is add these two together. Right, so I've got my ones to my ones. What's 0 ones? Add 4 ones. 0 ones add 4 is 4, isn't it? Okay, there I've done my ones. Let's add my tens. I've got 8 tens. Add 6 tens. What's 8 add 6? Well done, it's 14. Am I allowed to write them like that in one box? No, I'm not. I've got to move the 1 over, so it makes 144. So 18 times 8, or 8 times 18, equals 144. So how many counters have I got altogether? I've got 144. Right, guys, that's the grid method. And remember, I got the top by partitioning the bigger number. And then I put the smaller number down there. Okay, Have a go now at the others, which are similar but don't have a picture. Okay, there are 8 rows in a concert hall and there are 9 rows per seat. So with this one, I've got 88 rows. Now, am I going to draw 88 rows? No way, it's going to take me forever. And there are 9 seats per row. Well, isn't this a little bit like the one before? There were, how many rows? And instead of columns, it would be seats. So what would the calculation be? If there are 88 rows and 9 seats per row, isn't that one of our numbers? And then don't we times it by that number? Oh, I think we could do that one. Okay. Have a go at those on your own. If you can't work them out, give me another text message.